Hi everyone, welcome to week 5. So this week we are going to be continuing our discussions on domestic violence, and you are going to be doing your own research to create an annotated bibliography. Biblio means books and graph means write. So in the past, a bibliography was just a list of books. Now we look at other sources as well, but we haven't changed the name. So annotations are just notes or comments on those sources. So the sheet that I have for you to fill out for your bibliography has a couple different parts. The first is the MLA citation for the source, and then the second are notes on the source. So sometimes I'm asking you for a summary. Another part of it is asking you for a quote that you could use in an essay. The idea is basically for you to organize your research and thoughts before you write. It's an easy way to make sure that you don't plagiarize because you're not just grabbing quotations and then trying to cite them before you write, or as you're writing, you're doing it beforehand. And I can see your research before you go to write your paper. So if there's anything there that I don't think is going to work for you, sometimes it'll be too short. It'll have the wrong audience. We talked about audience in the last unit, right? Sometimes it has the wrong audience. Maybe it's for kids and it's just not quite what you need. Other times, maybe I know for a fact that it's biased. So that's one of the reasons that I ask you to do this. My other recommendation is really to focus your thoughts before you research. So come up with a couple ideas about how you want to, what kind of focus you want to have for your paper. Do you want to look at prevention of domestic violence? Do you want to look at how abusers are punished or treated in treatment programs? Do you want to look at domestic violence in certain populations, like among teens? Or do you want to look at something like female abusers? There are a lot of research questions and a lot of ways that you can kind of drive that focus of your research. If you need help deciding, or if you're having difficulties doing research or getting into the library databases, which can sometimes be tricky from home, just email me and let me know, and we can talk about some of the ways you might want to focus your thoughts or alternatives to the databases if you're unable to get in. That's it. I'm really looking forward to seeing what you guys find and how you're going to focus your ideas for this really timely topic. Thanks.